Hi, welcome back to Electronics 101. In this section, I'll describe a little bit about your instructor, me. My name is Stephen Rhodes, and I'm an electronics engineer, but you can call me Steve if we were to ever happen to meet. I was interested in electronics at an early age, and this was back in the 70s when we didn't have all the devices we have today. I can remember as a teenager taking the family television apart to see how it worked. This was in the vacuum tube era. Boy, were my parents mad. But they calmed down when I put it back together and it worked better than it did before. As a young man growing up in the 70s, I jumped from job to job, never really satisfied with what I was doing. Then one job hunting day, I happened upon a small electronic shop with a Help Wanted sign in the window. The sign read, "Help Wanted, will train the right person." I jumped at the opportunity, got the job, and the rest is history. As I progressed in knowledge of electronics, my desire to know more increased. I started taking night classes in electronics and physics. After a few years, I moved on from the electronics shop to a small local TV station, KOMU-TV. I discovered how television stations work and was one of the operators of the station's satellite truck used for live events. During this period of time, I continued my education, eventually earning a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, with the main focus on electronics. That would be referred to as an electronics engineer these days. I managed to do all of this while raising a family. The balance of work, school, and family is difficult, but it can be done. I am living proof of that. I eventually moved on from KOMU-TV and went to work for Turner Broadcasting at CNN. From there, I went to work for a couple of companies that designed and built TV stations. I would make the design for the control room and for the studio, and then I would go out into the field and help put it all together. I also then had to train the staff on the operation of the new equipment. Most times the staff didn't know how to use some of the equipment we were installing. When I retired in 2020, I was part of a Disney project engineering team designing the entertainment system for a new Disney cruise liner, and now I'm doing this course. I hope you enjoy it and find it useful. Let's get started.